Uniwipe's Clinical 2-in-1 wipes are suitable for use on non-invasive medical devices and all compatible surfaces. Before you begin, wash or decontaminate your hands. With Uniwipe, no gloves or PPE are required for routine surface cleaning. Remove one wipe from the pack and open it fully. Wipe the surface using an overlapping S-shaped motion. This ensures even coverage and maximum cleaning efficiency. If your wipe becomes visibly soiled or dirty, dispose of it safely in clinical waste and resume cleaning with a fresh one. Leave the surface to air dry. Always dispose of wipes correctly in clinical waste. Never flush or macerate wipes. Finally, wash or decontaminate your hands again after surface cleaning to complete the process. You've successfully completed the surface decontamination process using Uniwipe's Clinical 2-in-1 wipes. By following these simple steps, you're helping maintain a cleaner, safer environment, quickly, effectively, and without the need for any PPE. Available through NHS Supply Chain Catalogue, or find out more information at uniwipe.com or by scanning this QR code.